Good morning, students. In last video, we had discussed about how to create folders, how to copy or uh, moving files or folders from one place to another, and how to select contiguous items or files, folders, or non-contiguous items. In this video, we are going to discuss about some different things that we can do in Windows 10. Let us start with the first, what is clipboard? Because in last video we had discussed about how to copy and cut. And when we copy any file or cut any file, it goes to clipboard. So let's start. What is clipboard? A clipboard is temporary memory buffer in random access memory provided by the operating system to store data for short term in a computer application. It is used to hold copied or cut data temporarily while transferring within and between application programs. So when you cut or copy some data, it temporarily stays in the clipboard so uh, that you can paste it. Now let's start how to copy. First of all, select the file or folder to be copied and do either of any following actions. In the Home tab, click on Home tab and go to Clipboard group and then select Copy command. Or just right click on that file or folder and select Copy option from the shortcut menu, or simply select the item and press Ctrl C to copy. After this step, the selected file or folder will be copied into clipboard. Next step is to move to or browse to the desired location or folder where the files or folder are to be copied. Paste items in the destination folder by using one of the following actions. Click on Home tab, go to Clipboard group and select Paste command. Or just right click on blank area in the content pane and click on Paste in shortcut menu. Or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl V. Now let's see how to move files and folders. It means from one device to another or one drive to another drive. First of all, select to move a copy folder, to move files and folders on Windows 10, do the following. Select the files and folder to be copied, then do one of the following action. Click on Home tab, then go to Clipboard group and click on Cut command. Or you can just right click the selection and click on Cut in the shortcut menu. Or simply you can use the shortcut key Ctrl X. After this step, the selected file or folder will be copied into clipboard. And next, move to or browse to the desired location where the files or folder are to be moved. Paste item in the destination folder by using one of the following action. Click on Home tab, go to Clipboard group and select Paste. Or just right click in the blank area in the content pane and click paste in the shortcut menu, or you can use shortcut key paste for paste, control V. So by using this by following this step, you can either copy or move file from one drive to another drive. Now let's see how to rename files and folder. You can always change the name or file or folder using rename option. To rename a file or folder, do the following. In the File Explorer content pane, select the file or folder to be renamed. Do one of the following action. Double click the file or folder, or go to Home tab, or in Organized Group, select Rename command. Or just right click the file, and from the shortcut menu select rename option, or just simply press F2 to rename that file. The above action will select the current file name text, type the new file name and press enter key. You can also rename a file or folder in the navigation pane by do the following. Right click the file or folder to be renamed and select rename from the shortcut menu, or then type the new name over the selected text and then press enter key. Now let's see how to delete files and folder. Deleting file or folder from your computer involves two steps. You delete selected file folder by using delete command. The deleted files or folder are moved to the special area called recycle bin, which is a holding area for deleted files or folder. As long as deleted files and folder are in recycle bin, they can be restored or undeleted, and once permanently deleted, they can't be restored. Files are permanently deleted only after they are deleted from recycle bin. Emptying the recycle bin also permanently erases the deleted file or folders from the computer. So let's see how to delete. First of all, open the File Explorer. In the content pane, select the files or folders to be deleted. Do either of the following. Press delete key, or go to the Home tab, then Organized Group and select delete option, or just right click on that file and select delete option from shortcut menu. When you use any of these steps, Windows will ask for confirmation by displaying the delete file dialog box. Click yes to confirm the deletion. It will now send the selected files and folder to the recycle bin. However, if you are deleting a file from the external disk, such as pen drive, it will not go into the recycle bin. Rather, it will be permanently deleted. From recycle bin, we can restore our deleted files or folder. So let's see how to restore. To restore the deleted item on the desktop screen, click on recycle bin icon. Select the recycle bin window will open. Here, locate your file you want to restore. If unable to locate, you might right click in empty area and sort file by one of these. Sort by name, original location, date deleted, or another column. You may also search for your files and folder if you know the name. Then select the files to be recovered. Then go to Recycle Bin Tools. Then go to Manage Group and select Restore Selected Items command. Or right click on item and select the Restore option from shortcut menu. If you it will undelete the selected files or folders and send them to the location from which they were deleted. So by using these steps, you can restore your files or folders from recycle bin. But if you want to permanently delete the files from your computer, do the following. If you delete, you can permanently delete all the files residing in this recycle bin by emptying the recycle bin. To select empty recycle bin, click on Recycle Bin Tools in Manage tab, then go to Manage Group and select Empty Recycle Bin command. Or you can delete files and folders from the recycle bin by selecting them, right clicking and choosing delete. The selected files and folders will be permanently deleted. Or select the files and folder to be deleted. And now select the file folder to be deleted and press delete key. Windows will ask for confirmation by displaying the delete file dialog box. Click yes to confirm the deletion. So by using this step, you can organize your files and folders in your Windows 10 operating system. So that's all for today. Thank you.